Hello my lovelies, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Manisha Fashionista. I hope you all are doing extremely well, and if you are new here, I am Manisha and I talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle in my videos. So this video is all about trending must-have sarees this season, and I'm also going to announce my second giveaway. For more detail, let's get into the video. So before starting the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that bell icon, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And don't forget to visit my website, which is www.manishafashionista.com. Before telling you about the trending sarees, let me tell you saree is the most important attire for Indian women, and over the years saree has been changed in so many ways, like styling a saree or wearing saree has been changed over the years. So the list I'm going to share with you is a trending sari list, which is must for every woman out there and who love wearing sari. And if you're a beginner level, these sari can be kept in your wardrobe as an essential. You don't need to buy a lot of saris, but this selective sari will work for you and you'll be sorted. And again, if you are a new bride or you are planning to get married, these sari collection will be the best for you. If you are a new bride, you can keep this kind of collection so that as a new bride, wherever you are going, you will be wearing different and trending sarees, which is in season right now. So let me start with the first saree. So the first saree which I'm going to share you is a organza saree, which is in trend a lot right now. You can see a lot of celebrities, television actors are wearing and flaunting their sarees in different colors, and this is summer, so this saree will work best because it's a sheer fabric saree. So this is the best saree to wear in this season. So this one is the most in demand and a lot of women are preferring to wear. This can be worn in events, casual or official events. So this will work as a must have. This is the first one which I'll recommend to have in your wardrobe. You can go with pastel colors, you can go with the dark, you can go with different prints. So organza saree is must. Nowadays this fabric is running a lot. I know it's a little expensive, but you can check on Amazon. You will get under like 1000 or 500. You will get the variety of organza saree on the internet, and you can also check out Meesho app. I have also purchased from that, so you can check that out from there. So I'm just sharing the picture so that you can you will see how does that saree perfectly look. If I'll show you like this will not work. So I feel I'll show you the picture right here of all the sarees so that you can get it what I'm talking about. So this can be paired with sleeveless cotton blouse, or even you can wear it with plain blouses, designer blouses. So this is the must saree which you can have this season. So the next saree is ready to wear saree. This is the best saree to have as a beginner level because उसे पहनने के लिए किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You can the pleats are already done, and the you don't need to wear any petticoat or anything, or you don't need to pleat the saree. So this is the best way to just wrap it up and just wear the pallu, which is simple, and you don't need anyone to help you out to wear a saree. So this one is the best. You can go with pastel colors. There are a lot of fabrics available in this kind of saree nowadays, and the pallu is already done. You get a brooch kind of a thing, and with the blouse, nowadays blouse are also ready with that saree. So this is the best saree. You can keep it in your wardrobe as a essential or must have in the must have list. So this is this one I'll highly recommend. You should keep this one in your collection. So you can wear it in any party, cocktail, or any function or festival. So this will work best option for you. So now third saree is a pastel ruffle saree. Ruffles are trending nowadays, so ruffle saree is the must have. So you get pastel sarees in this, and you must keep a pastel color saree in your collection. So this is again which have ruffles on the pleats and around the waist area. So ये साड़ी भी काफ़ी easy होती है पहनने में, and इसमें भी किसी की आपको ज़रूरत नहीं, तो एज अ बिगनर लेवल हो और या फिर आप न्यू ब्राइड हो, दिस विल वर्क अमेजिंग फॉर यू एंड ईजी टू वेयर. You will get ready blouse also with this sarees. You can keep pastel colors or even you can go with the different pattern or different print. So variety of fabric and prints are available in this kind of sarees nowadays, but I'll recommend to keep a pastel color ruffle saree. So yeah, you can go with this one as well. This can be carried for festival parties and school college reunion. You can wear this saree for your college saree day function or something like that. Yeah, you can carry this saree very easily and which looks trendy. Nowadays celebrities are also wearing it and giving you fashion goals. So this one is also a really important one. So moving to the next saree. So the fourth saree is a Banarasi saree. This saree has been given goals from Deepika Padukone or even Anushka Sharma. After their wedding, this saree is in trend a lot. This saree was in trend before as well, but after wedding of the celebrities, and usually we get influence from celebrities, so this is the must-have saree in your collection. You get in different colors, so you can pick it according to your color preference, but Banarasi is again the must-have in your list. So the next saree is sequence fabric saree, which is again a party wear saree which will work and which is very light in weight, and you get different colors and different patterns on the fabric, or even you can go with a solid color saree which is solid sequence fabric saree. You can pair it with plain blouses or you can wear a designer blouse on it, and you can use it for cocktail parties or even your normal parties, wedding functions. So this will be the must have in your collection. So the next saree is chikankari fabric white classic saree. You can opt for different colors, but I'll recommend to opt for a white chikankari saree which look really different and unique, and this fabric is in trend, especially girls and women like to wear plazos or kurtas or kurtis from chikankari fabric. But I'm telling you guys, it's a chikankari fabric saree looks amazing and very unique and different, and you can pair it up with statement jewelry and you will look amazing with this look and saree also. So you can keep this saree in different colors or you can go with the solid color saree. Next saree which is in trend from a long time, which is not going out of trend, which is a net saree. अब net sarees में भी काफ़ी difference आते हैं, half and half आता है या तो full net saree भी आती है. So you have to opt according to your choice and colors, whatever you want to pick. काफ़ी सारे work difference भी आते हैं, plain net saree भी आती है, like solid color saree you can go with, opt with work saree. You have zari work on the net or even embroidery on the saree. So you can pick it according to your choice and color, but net saree is again a must have in your collection. एक भी अगर रख लिया तो भी बहुत है, but one is must in your collection. So the next saree which I'm going to talk about is a sexy black saree, and this is again a must have saree in every women's collection. And this is again, you can pair it with sequence fabric blouse or even velvet fabric blouse. So this saree is also a must have saree with different borders, or you can opt for a plain solid saree, and you get in different fabric also in the market, so you can pick and choose accordingly. And this is again a must have saree in your collection, and you can pair it with different kind of jewelry and footwear, and you can keep it in your collection. So again, black saree is highly recommended. If you want to know how to style a black saree, you can go and check my website. I've written a beautiful blog on how to style a black saree in different ways, so you can check that blog as well. मैंने एक blog भी लिखा है जिसमें मैंने around 10 sarees के बारे में बताया कि जो बहुत every women must have kind of saree collection. So आप वो भी blog एक बार check कर सकते हैं. I'll put the links in description, so you can check all the links later. So now the next saree which I am going to talk is a white classic saree. A plain white saree, you can keep it in your collection. इधर वो नेट की रख लो या तो आप जरी या बॉर्डर की आती है आजकल. सो इट डिपेंड्स. एक सॉलिड ब्लैक जैसा लिया है वैसे एक वाइट भी रख लीजिए अपने कलेक्शन. सो दिस इज अगेन अ क्लासिक साड़ी विच लुक्स वेरी एलिगेंट एंड नाइस. So this can be paired with oxidized jewelry, nice pair of footwear. So this will look amazing on all skin tone also. So this is again must have sari in your wardrobe. Now the last sari which I am going to talk about is red sarees. Must have again for new brides, which looks elegant and beautiful on new bride. So you should keep a red color sari in your collection as a new bride, or even you can opt for net sari in red color, or even you can go with the silk sari or you have a different fabric in the solid colors, so you can opt for it. And if you are a beginner, you can opt for a red sari net. Either you can go with the proper ethnic red sari which is worked with बहुत सारी मोती वर्क वाली साड़ीज आती है, और इवन यू कैन पिक बहुत जरी एंड बॉर्डर का वर्क आता है साड़ीज पे. सो यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर दैट एज वेल. सो यू शुड कीप one ईच फ्रॉम दिस according to me in your साड़ी collection and you are good to go. because अगर आप ज़्यादा साड़ी पहनना पसंद नहीं करते हैं, so this is best to keep one from each collection. So this is best for you to, whenever you are opting for sari, you don't need to ask anyone else. You have already with you such a beautiful saris which are unique from each other, so you can keep this collection in your sari collection. So I want to announce my second giveaway. This will be the prize for the giveaway. So second giveaway में आप लोगों को मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है, लाइक करना है, शेयर करना है, एंड आपको इंस्टाग्राम में मुझे फॉलो करना है, फेसबुक पर फॉलो करना है, और मेरे वेबसाइट पे जाकर आपको किसी भी ब्लॉग पर कमेंट करना है. आप एक ब्लॉग पे भी कर सकते हैं, अगर आप चाहो तो डिफरेंट ब्लॉग्स पर भी कर सकते हैं, और फिर आपको इसी वीडियो के नीचे आके कमेंट करना है #giveaway_done. मतलब आपने ये जो भी रूल्स है वो फॉलो किया है और आपने कमेंट किया है मेरे ब्लॉग पर. सो आई नो दैट कि आपने रूल किया. आई क्रॉस वेरीफाई एवरीथिंग, डोंट वरी, बट यू हैव टू फॉलो ऑल दिस रूल्स. एंड I'll choose one winner and I'm going to choose it from an online app. And from today this giveaway will start till 15th, and 16th I'll announce the winner. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video and this works and helps you out for all sari lovers. If you're a beginner level and if you're looking for saris, so this will help you out to make your own sari collection. So I hope this video will help you out, and please share this video with your friends. So please go and subscribe my channel and please participate in this giveaway. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.